Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide, doing another review on the Moza Mini-Mi. This is just a follow-up update of the wireless charger. If you haven't seen my last video, I was having a hard time making the charger over here work. So Moza contacted me and told me that you do have to double tap the power on and off switch to activate the wireless charger. So we're gonna do that and see if it will actually work. So let's power on the gimbal first. Okay, and also there is an app for the iPhone 10 or any iPhone devices right here. It's called the Moza Mini. Let me see if you guys can see it from this view here. Okay, I'll just turn that on. At this moment, they don't have any app for the Android devices. It's only for the iPhone devices. All right, so there it is. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's quite bright out here. So with this app, you're able to use all this buttons here. If you dial it to the right, it will actually zoom in. And if you redial it from the other way, it will zoom out. So the app right now is not fully functioning. As you can see down here, it's only set to 720p 30 frames per second. You're not able to record it at 4K 60 frames per second. So that's why I'm not pressing the record button right now, because I can't shoot in 4K. Besides that, you have this other awesome feature. If you press this button down here once, it will automatically zoom for you. You don't have to spin the wheel, which is an amazing feature. You press it back, it will go back. Okay. And for the wireless charger, what you need to do, like I said earlier, you have to press the power on and off switch twice. So right now, I don't know if you guys could see that right there. We're at 99% and there is no lightning bolt or thunderbolt there to symbolize that it's charging. So if I double tap it, you will see, oh, there you go. You will see the lightning bolt right there. So it is compatible with any smartphone devices that charges wirelessly. It is compatible. I tried it on the S9 Plus, the Note 8, and of course the iPhone 10 here. Okay, so let's try to record something. Let's record something here, guys, and test out that zooming, automatic zooming. So I'm using the iPhone 10, shooting at 720p 30 frames per second. That is the highest I could shoot right now with this app. Let's try to zoom in. So we could do manual. We could do manual zoom right here. Try to stay there. I'm gonna do a vertigo shot. So let me try to do a vertigo shot, guys. Okay, just give me a second. Oh, hold on. Okay, let me try to zoom in first. Here we go. Stay still there. Oh, so I can't do it. So let me try it with automatic and see how it goes with that. Okay. I'm gonna try to shoot back. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, the vertigo. Let me do it again. Okay, well anyways, that's the zooming feature, which is awesome. It's automatic. All you have to do is just press on it and it will zoom in or zoom out for you. All right, so let's try to go around with the setting here. So of course, over here, this is your mode switch. You've got your playback button, your shutter and record button, your menu and so on. And you could do the wheel here, as you can see. on the side. Let's go inside here a bit so you guys could see what it looks like. So there you go. I don't know if you guys could see that better. So that is your menu. You could spin around the menu over there. Plenty of menus, guys. Plenty of settings. Okay, and you've got all this good stuff here. A lot of good stuff. Okay, and at the same time we are still recording. We'll do the vertigo. There you go. Okay, let me do it again. Stay there, stay there. Yeah, so much better, this vertigo. Hold on, one more time. Look at that, guys. Oh, stay back here. Okay, one more. One more shot. Okay, so there you go. That's just a little quick update of the Moza Mini-Mi. Let's check out the charging. As you can see, we are still charging. Let's go back here, you guys, so that you guys could see the setting. There you go, we're still charging. So if I double tap it again, the charging icon is gone. Double tap it back. One, two. And there goes the charging, the wireless charger. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Oops. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's a little quick update of the Moza Mini-Mi. To be honest, the wireless charger is an amazing feature, and also with the zooming, the automatic zoom, it's just a fantastic feature for this gimbal. And I will be doing another more video comparison with the Moza Mini-Mi. I'll be comparing it with my other devices, so I'm gonna have a one-on-one versus battle. I'm gonna order probably another Galaxy S9 Plus so that I could have two Galaxy S9 Plus mounted on two different gimbals, and I will try to walk with them side by side, and we're gonna see how stabilized the footage are on the gimbals. So wait for that. It should be, I'll be doing that probably this week or probably next week. So stay tuned for that. And also we're gonna do some more tests with all my gimbals. So that, if you guys have any other questions that you wanna see, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.